Actor Vijay's popularity has very often been compared to that of Rajnikant in the 90s. And yet, the superstar is now in the middle of a political controversy more than 5 years after he decided or announced that he's withdrawing from politics. This happened because Adav Arjun, who is the General Secretary of the Election Management Committee of the TVK, a key man in Vijay's team, in fact said at a public meeting on the 12th of March that Rajnikant had withdrawn from politics not because of ill health but because of a threat from the DMK. He suggested political bullying, whereas he said that Vijay had the guts to take him on. So, while the DMK, of course, did condemn this entire incident and the statement and ask for an apology, it took 4 days for the opposition, the NDA, both the AIADMK leader Edappadi Palaniswamy as well as BJP leader Nayanar Nagendran and several other leaders. It took them 4 days to call this out, saying that he had discredited someone who was held in high esteem by not just an MGR and a Jayalalitha but also Prime Minister Modi. Analysts, of course, point out that that may have happened because they were still hopeful of an alliance, a tactical alliance with the TVK, and the statement now being issued is a proof that that hope has now been dashed. This would have been a superb opportunity for the NDA alliance in order to show that TVK's Vijay has disrespected someone who is demigod in Tamil Nadu and enjoys that kind of a status even now. Rajnikant, of course, true to his very own style, allowed this controversy to simmer and has only now issued a statement saying that what Adhav Arjun said was an untruth, and he has also thanked the other leaders for having issued statements in his support. In 1996, very famously, Rajnikant had made a statement saying even God cannot save Tamil Nadu if the AIADMK is voted to power. Now, of course, he is much more diplomatic and he ends his statement saying that time won't speak, but it waits and gives its answer.